This is our Forex blog for Friday, March 13th, 2015, and I'd just like to go over how our Forex trading systems are going. This is the absolute best week we've ever had. The signals did close to 1,700 pips the week. Here's Friday, 374 pips, 68% winning. The wins, and this is really the key to trading. Even if you have a 45-50% winning system and you have 2 times or 3 times bigger wins than loss, that's the key to trading. So that's what I'm really focusing on when I create trading patterns, but I'm very happy with the winning percentage as well. Thursday, also a great day, 415 pips, 68% winning, 19 pips average win, 5 pip average loss. You can see 0.4 pips loss, 0.5 pips, 1.7. Most of them are under 7, and occasionally. And I try to focus on fixing the patterns that have 13 to 15 pip losses. This day was one of the best we've had since I've kept stats of each pattern. 533 pips, 664% winning. Again, huge wins, 4 times bigger win than loss. And also a ton of trades that day, as you can see. There were 37 trades that day. 279 pips that day. And usually Sunday, Monday is the worst day. But this is exceptional for Sunday, Monday. Usually it only does anywhere from 90 to 150 pips max. So I was very happy with Mondays. And the win percentage also very good. So let me just show you some of the signals. There's over 1,500 different patterns and on over 20 different types of trades. Fib targets, fib retracements, support resistance areas, swing analysis, Gann angles, 3-line break, and using all of our statistical tools. So here's the euro. I'll just show Thursday and Friday. You can see Thursday, small win, big win, okay win. Unfortunately, we didn't buy these pullbacks. Small win right here. And as you can see, it doesn't catch every trade. Some trades, I'd be a little bit more careful if I was taking this trade myself, but the system picked it up and it did generate, pretty much a break even. Type of trades I personally take is when the market's gone up many waves and has a big move down like this, and look to short the 50 or 62% retracement. Unfortunately, I missed that trade there, but this one appears to be a 50% pullback of this swing down. And you can see it on Friday. Small win here, okay win, small loss, small win, and a very huge win right here. I'll just point out some of the other trades. Here's the pound. I think the pound did very well on Friday. It wasn't big enough a move to buy these pullbacks. Here it took out a couple swing lows, and so I'm selling at 50% or 62% retracement, and that one was good for a huge move. And the same thing happened on the next move. Anytime you have a big, 40, 50 pip move, and it breaks the lows or it's a new low for the day, I look to get short on the next move up. But I also catch, little mini double tops after a previous new low for the day. I like to buy and sell when the market has made a new low after 2 waves. So this is a new low, comes up, comes down, then doesn't take out the low, and it makes a double top right here. Huge move, good for about 75 pips. And then we bought the low right here and pretty much broke even. After the market makes 4 to 8 new lows for the day, I tend to look for counter trend trades to buy. And here's the Australian dollar, only one trade, or one nice trade here, and then pretty much a break even or 4 pip loss. Previous day, you can see only one trade for a small loss. What's amazing me more than the success of the signals is with 1,500 different patterns, there's days where there's no trades at all on some pairs. And I'm happy with that because I want something that's super selective. A lot of my patterns have 30 to 50 plus different rules. If any of those 50 rules don't get hit, for instance, there's no trade. And if I was manually trading this, I might have sold the low right here. Breakouts tend to be risky, so I don't have many patterns that show up because I use these myself. We release them in the software for our users as signals, and I auto trade them. So I don't want any kind of pattern that's not likely over 10 trades to be at least 50-50. Breakouts tend to be much harder to take. If I was trading manually, this one came down, went up, went sideways right here, and I would manually have sold that low. When I start to put in more breakout patterns, this is definitely one that I would put in, and you can see, nice 40 or 60 pip move down. But because it made a new low and it tried to go higher real slowly, didn't really go too high, not much of a pullback, we got short and caught this move. Unfortunately, I missed this next one, but because it made a new low, it worked its way up, got this one, caught 60, 70 pips. So I'm very happy with this system. It's not catching every move, but nobody catches every move, and it's hard to argue with a system that caught over 1,500 pips. I think it's closer to 1,800 for the week. So we have a new version being released today, right now. If you close your software or you bring it up new, you will have the auto update, and it will automatically update to this latest version.